Men often associate sexual ability, strength, and performance with the length of their penis. For them, the bigger and the longer the penis is, the better performance they have. That's why men with small or thin penis would want to figure out how to make their genital organ bigger and longer. So, are there exercises to increase penis size? Or should these men depend on the penis enlargement systems and supplements? The different types of exercises. If men don't really like consuming supplements or drugs that are claimed to make their penis grow bigger or longer, they can try natural exercises to help them out. Are there exercises to increase penis size? Yes, there are. Not many people know about different types of penis exercises that they can do regularly, but if they are committed and they have strong will to succeed, they can achieve great result in the end. 1. The PC Flex. This type of penis exercise is claimed to help a lot since it focuses on the muscles. The PC muscles are the muscles in the genital area responsible for controlling when to start and stop urinating. Squeezing the muscle will make the muscles on the anus squeeze as well. This exercise will improve the blood flow into the penis, so the width of the penis will increase. When they put themselves into semi-erect condition, they need to use their middle finger and their thumb as a ring to hold the erect position. Start from the shaft, and when they draw out toward the head, tighten the ring a bit. This will make the blood flow to the head of the penis so it will be full and hard. Hold this for about 5 seconds and release it gently. Do this for about 20 repetitions. Basically, this exercise will stretch out the PC ligament muscles and help breaking out the fibrosis responsible for the prevention of blood flow expansion and engorgement. 2. The Jelqing. This is basically almost the same as the PC Flex, but with different mechanism and different purpose. The Jelqing is basically a kind of treatment to massage the penis. Men should wear proper lubrication to help them with this exercise. They start from the base and gently massage it toward the head. Once they reach the head, use the other hand to start from the base. Alternate the hands since Jelqing require both hands to do the procedure. Do it gently and slowly, and they will feel immediate effect afterward. 3. The Kegel. Men can sit on a handball or tennis ball that is placed between the anus and the testicle sac. They should contract the muscles and the anus for about 3 minutes. For each contraction, hold it for about 10 seconds. At first it wouldn't be easy, but they should be able to do it over time. The Kegel exercise would control the BC and IC muscles that control the ejaculation. 4. The Wally Wally Up. This exercise focuses on the PC muscles, as well as the IC and BC muscles. Men should sit on the chair, the edge of it, and they should hang over a small towel on the penis. Contract the muscles so the erection should be able to resist against the weight of the towel. If they are growing stronger, they can use a wet towel so the resistance will be greater. Considerations and warning. When doing these exercises, it is better to do it within the privacy of their personal space. It is also important to do all those exercises gently and slowly. There is no need to rush, as these exercises won't be able to give outstanding result overnight. It is also a good idea to use proper help or equipment to improve the result. For instance, when lubrication is needed, baby oil can help, or other lubrication gels. When using the towel, be sure that it is clean and hygienic. Beginners should start with low counting. As they progress, they can increase the period. For example, when they have to contract the muscles, start with 5 seconds and then slowly and gradually progress to 10 seconds. Don't do these exercises every day. The penis muscles also need to rest and relax. Do the exercises once every 2 days.